Okay, hello everyone. My name is Smashy Eggman. I'll be opening some packs. Oh my god. Oh, Schneiderlin. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right. No, not helpful at all. Yeah. Come on, someone good. Actually, no, wait, no. I did get Beckenbauer a couple of weeks ago before I started recording this, so let's keep going and see if we can get something better. Oh, there are two people I have in my ultimate team. Okay. Andrew, oh gee. Okay, so not good. Oh, it's here. Yes, what country is that? Okay. Right. Go away. Oh, geez, have to. Yeah. Okay. I'm too good for Paris. Daniel Osvaldo. Come on, give me a better inform than Gryden. Freaking Robin! Holy shit! Holy moly! Robin and Silver in the same fucking pack. What? No, that can't be happening. This actually can't be happening. And how does Robin have 92 pace? He hasn't ever seen 92 pace. Okay, let's go again. Alright, I'm gonna end it here. So, thanks for watching, and slam your face into that like button if you want. I couldn't care less. And see you later. Bye.